Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hey kids, imagine you're giving a gift to your best friend or favorite family member. What would it be? Draw a box, wrap it up with colorful paper, and add a bow.
Whoa! Fantastic! Fabulous! Perfect! Whoa! Cool! Cool! Awesome! Awesome! Perfect! Fantastic! Whoa!
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.